Hello, in this video we are going to take a look at the compatibility for Bootstrap 5. Bootstrap 5 just came out a week ago on the 16th of June 2020. So this is basically the compatibility. It is saying it is compatible with virtually all browsers out there, and it's compatible with Chrome version 60 or greater, Firefox version 60 or greater. You might be thinking, what about the first 59 versions? Now, if you look like Chrome usage stats, let's just get Chrome out here. So as you can see, anything older than like 75 is only 3.1%, and that's for 74 and lower. It's going to be super low, be less than 1%. Okay, same with Firefox. With Edge is 60. Yeah, Edge had to do a weird number. Edge is 16.16299 or greater. iOS is iOS 10 or greater. Safari 10 or greater. Android 6 or greater, which is old. Like, that's super old. But it doesn't support Explorer less than or equal to 11, or Explorer Mobile less than or equal to 11. What that means is Internet Explorer is out, but it does support Edge, and Internet Explorer is less than 1% anyway of the market share, so it is negligible. And here's a bit more of a breakdown of the different support. It says here, unofficially, Bootstrap should look and behave well enough in Chromium and Chrome Linux for Firefox and Firefox for Linux, though they are not officially supported. So it's just saying, though they haven't officially, done any, rigorous tests necessarily on it, it should work fine. IE has been dropped, but if you do want IE support, use Bootstrap 4, and the latest version is 4.5, with 4.5.1 coming soon. So that's it. That's all I wanted to cover, is the compatibility on browsers. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.